really begins with the customer. For early on in our work in 2019, 2020 with customers, our first folks that we worked with beyond the city of Flint, became clear that there was a need to not just identify the probability of lead at every address, although that was so important, but they really just wanted to know, where should we go next? And this was a customer that was actively doing replacements at that time. And they really wanted to know not just which address, but which block. And in fact, which segment of a water main should we be going to? And how might that interact with planned work on water mains and recent work on water mains and streets? And we were able to marry all of this together so that we could look at what is the likelihood of lead at the block or street segment level and find which areas had the highest concentrations, and then recommend all of the addresses on that block, on that segment of a water main. And that became really effective, in addition to just thinking about the address level, to roll up to optimize. And we realized there's a lot of other factors. And so that went from a solution that we designed for a customer to start thinking more about, what's the more general idea here? Well, we should be taking into account all other information from the census, from other demographic information, from other asset management systems, to help us understand, how can we really just help folks dig once?